Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we are going to do the real life gym test of the Realme Buds Air 2. So we're going to test it in the gym, see well, how it's going to perform in different kind of exercises. I'll be doing a lot of exercises where these kind of earphones are going to fall, especially the ones which have stem design. They are not going to be that reliable, especially when you're doing bench press or when you're doing crunches or when you're running, jumping, jogging, doing all those kind of exercises. So we'll be seeing whether it's going to survive that or not. So let's go ahead, see the exercises first, and then we'll be talking about how did it perform. So let's go. Okay, so you've seen the video. Now let's talk about what was my experience. So let's start with the fit. So the fit was fine, no issues, it did not fall. I did feel like the noise isolation was a little less, but it was not bad. So basically this has a twin design, so it takes the support of the ear canal a little bit. It doesn't go in completely because this is an oval shaped one, not a round one. It takes a little support of the ear canal, and the rest of the body takes the support of your edge of the ear, so it remains there like that. Now no matter what you do, it does not fall. So this kind of design generally falls off, but because of the twin design, little going in the ear canal and then taking the side, this actually stays there. And the best thing is this is light, very light. Because of that, it does not fall off. So even though this is more of a phone call based earphone, as in the mic on this is really good for phone calls, it still is a good earphone for the gym. Now let's talk about the sound quality. The noise isolation is good. The sound quality is bass focused but not heavy bass, so you can actually control the bass, control what you want to focus on. There are 3 settings in the software, so you can actually control that. So the sound quality you will not have a problem with. I did find the noise isolation to be average because of the twin design. It's not actually going in your ear canal completely. So if you want better noise isolation, you have to use a earphone which goes inside your ear canal and seals it. This does not seal it. Because of that, a little bit of the outside sound comes in, a little bit, not too much. So that's basically it. And sweat, no problems. I was sweating a lot, no issues with that, and because of sweat it did not slip off and fall off from my ears. So that's also something which I liked. I did a waterproofness test. I would be putting the video later on. So in the waterproofness test, I have taken it to the shower and I have taken it to the steam room for 10 minutes, and it even survived that. So already 4 times I've done it. So today I'll be doing a 5th one and then shooting the video and then showing you that also. So I'll put the link in the description later on. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.